Good morning, departure Vision 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Hey there, buddy. I hope you're doing well, and thank you so much for watching the videos, and thank you for supporting the channel. Season's greetings, happy holidays, and Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Today I have a little bit different video than usual, in that it's going to be a short product review of a duffel style backpack that was sent to me by Under Armour for review. I just wanted to make this short video showing you this Project Rock duffel backpack from Under Armour. It is stated to have a 30-liter capacity. However, on the front of it, it's stenciled 21.9 liter capacity. It does appear to be very well constructed and has a pretty neat design. It is different than conventional backpacks, so it is somewhat purpose-built. But in any case, I'll show you some of the features real quick, and you can decide for yourself. A link to this product will be in the description of this video, so you can check that out as well. But overall, it's pretty neat. It's a conventional backpack in terms of its exterior looks. It's got MOLLE attachment capability on the backside. It's got a handle on the top, as you can see, as well as a water flask container on the side, or a sleeve for that. And then it also has a duffel style handle on the long side as well. It's got this orange tab here that's connected to a zipper, of course, that goes over the top of the bag. And that opens up this orange section of the bag, which is probably intended for wet laundry or shoes or something that you might want segregated from the main body of the bag. But in any case, that's what that tab is for. And then it's supposedly compatible with up to a 15-inch laptop computer, and that's accessible. The compartment that would hold that computer is accessible from the back of the backpack, if you will, where the straps are. The backpack does have some really neat tabs for the zippers. All of those have nice metal tabs on them. Pretty neat. But when you open this up, that's how you access the main body of the backpack itself. You've got two sleeves here, probably for the 15-inch laptop, and then maybe something like an iPad or something like that. You have a zippered pouch here with vented material as well. But other than that, that is the body of the backpack there. So once you open this rear flap here, that will expose the entire interior. There are no additional pouches or bags or satchels or separators or sections or anything like that. So some people might find it neat in that you can just load it up much like a suitcase. Or if you're like me and you like to segregate the items that you put in a bag from based upon what they are into different portions of the bag, this is probably not the backpack for you. Because it does not offer that much segregation of items. But again, it is built very well constructed. And very purposely built. The Project Rock product portfolio within Under Armour are a set of products that have been somehow designed or somehow involve Dwayne Johnson or The Rock. But in any case, this is the Project Rock duffel backpack by Under Armour. Retail value $85. It's pretty neat. If this seems to be the sort of backpack that would be suitable for your needs, certainly check out Under Armour. A link will be in the description, and you can decide for yourself. But overall, I'd say this is a very well built backpack, and I guess it's kind of tactical looking if you like that. It does come in 3 color combinations. But that is the Project Rock duffel backpack by Under Armour. Retail value about $85. I'm curious to see what you might think about it. If you have any comments, certainly post them. Anyway, season's greetings, happy holidays, and Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you in the next video.
I really appreciate you watching the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new videos are posted. I can't thank you enough for taking the time to send your emails, comments, and feedback. My goal is to provide even better content for you as we continue to grow the channel. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.